In this lecture, I am going to tell you about add and update methods which are used with sets.
This video is brought to you by OppyPies Academy.
So in order to show that, let me write a new program, press the right mouse button on the project name, go to new, then Python file, and let me give it any name. Suppose let the name be set2. Okay, so now I am going to take a set. So I am defining a set. I have written numbers is equal to within curly braces. As you know, the values of sets are given within curly braces. So I would write 10, 20, 30. So this is creation of a set, and then I am going to add a value into this set by writing numbers dot add. Okay, so let me give the value, suppose 40. So numbers dot add 40. The 40 value will be added into this already defined set numbers. As you know, sets are immutable. That means we cannot modify the values, but we can very well add elements into a set. So here let me give the comment, because I have added a new value. I would write in the comment adds the value 40. Okay, then I have printed the set numbers, print numbers, press the right mouse button on the program name, click on run, and this is the output. As you can see, now there are 4 values. Earlier there were 3 values only at the time of creation into the set numbers. So now I would tell you that how to use the update method. Always remember one thing, that update method is used when we are supposed to add multiple elements. For adding single element, we people use add method only. So I have what I am going to do is I am going to take a list and I would be adding that list into this. So I have written values is equal to 100, 200 and 300. So values is our, this is our list, and what I am going to do is I am going to write numbers dot update values. Now what would happen is, in the already created set numbers, the list values will be added. So because list is containing multiple values, we were supposed to use update method. So it adds multiple values. Of what update methods does is adds multiple values or a list or another set. So I will give you an example how to add a set into a set also. Okay, before that, let's see, this was the list values which was having these 3 values, 100, 200 and 300. So these 3 values, they have been added into the set numbers. Now in order to execute the program, you can also press the right mouse button on the program itself and then click run. So this is the output. You can see the values of the list, they have been added into our set. Now I will show you an example whereby I will be adding a list, I will be adding a set into the set numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a set with the name nums. His name could be anything. Then within curly braces I have given the value 1, 2, 3. So let me give the comment also, creation of another set. Okay, so what I will do is I would write numbers dot update, and within parentheses I would write nums. Okay, so what will happen is, into the set numbers, the set nums will be added. Then I would print the numbers. So the set numbers is ever increasing. We have first there were only 3 values, then we had added the value 40, and now we are going to add another set called nums into it. Run the program. Yes, as you can see, now it is containing 10 values, total number of 10 values. So this is how we can add a set into another set. So always remember, add method is to be used when we are going to add only one value into the set, and update method only when we are going to add multiple values into the set.